Hi, whether you're going to the bush or the outback, a CROMTECH Outback genset's the thing for you. 2.4 kilowatts of power, 2 outlets, USB charging ports for the phone, 12 volt battery charging outlet over here. Nice and compact, lightweight. Let's give it a start and see how she sounds. Bit of choke, fuel on. Look at that. Away she goes. Also got an auto idle switch, so if you're not using all the power, the machine runs down a little bit lower. If you need full power, you can turn him up. Great little set. Perfect for camping, on-site power where you need it, in the bush, backup power, great little unit. CROMTECH Outback. Thanks for watching and bye for now.